Hi, my name is Carl and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this channel is on knives, any kind of knives, knife sharpeners, and I'm just passing along what I like. Might not be what you like, it's just what I like. Now I'm not the type that's going to go out and buy those $400 or $500 knives and review them and keep them and trade them, because that is well out of my price range. So like most of you, you don't really mind buying a $7.97 knife from Walmart, because realistically a lot of us is going to lose them anyway, or have somebody walk off with them. Now would you rather have somebody walk off with a $7.97 knife or a $400 knife? This is the Ozark Trail Christmas 2025 series, and I do realize it's way past Christmas 2025, but I'm only doing one knife review a month for my playlist, and I hope I never have to do more than one knife per month. I like a variety on my channel. So this knife is called the Fathom, Fathom. Now this one's 7" instead of most of Walmart knives being 7.5 inches. So I'm pretty sure that I know where this one's going to go, because I think it might be too small for my hand, but we'll see. Okay, part number on the back, 66795. There we go. Let's open this thing up. There we go. Pull that out. There we go. Put all that aside. Now I just put it in my hand, and that really is not really an uncomfortable knife. All except for this flipper part has gimping or jimping, however you want to say it. It's up to you. I don't like that, but it's not uncomfortable at all, really. It's not great, but it's usable. You see on there it has the little maroon accents on it on the liners and the hardware. That stands out. Let's fold this thing up for the first time. That was easy. Now it does not have any ball bearings or assisted openings. It just has this little lever right here, and it does not open all the way, so you're going to have to give it some help. It does need to be broken in a little bit. So I'm doing this, try to work it in a little bit. It does lock in place fairly well. Now liner locks, if you're not familiar, if you look right here on the liners next to the scales or the handles, you'll see this liner on this side, on the pocket clip side. It is over towards the middle. What you need to do is, while you're holding it, push it over with your thumb out of the way so you can fold it up. Still doesn't open all the way. Now this is a smaller knife since it's a 1/2 inch shorter. So the smaller pockets, like for a woman's pocket, it would fit easier. Or if you're a woman and you like to wear one on your bra strap, many women like that, that would be good. But I just noticed on this, let me get this piece of paper here, see if it comes up better. Right here on this thumb stud, on this side, you see how it goes up almost as high as the pocket clip. So that might be a little deterrent for a woman to use on her bra strap. It'll hinder her a little bit as putting it on or taking it off. I don't know. It's going to be tested, not by me of course, but it's going to be tested by somebody that's close to me. She carries a knife everywhere, and I taught her well. So, straight out of the package. It's cutting, not great. There we go. There is a slight, very slight chip in this blade right up here, but nothing that a good sharpening won't fix. So, if I give this to that other person, I'm definitely going to have to spend some time putting a better edge on it. Nope, not working. Not happy with that. So I'm going to have to spend a little bit of time on that before I give it away, and go from there. So, 3 nice YouTube channels that I like to watch, you might be interested in. There's one called Outdoors 55, and this is a channel about a guy who is an expert at sharpening knives. He won't tell you that he's an expert, but I'm going to tell you he's an expert. Another channel is Cutlery Lover. Now this channel, he just loves knives. He loves Zippo lighters. He loves wallets. Just an all-around EDC channel that you might enjoy. He even does taste tests on hot sauces. Third channel is Kyle Noseworthy. Now he's somewhere up in Alaska, not Alaska, but Canada, and he is a knife maker. And if you see him make some of his knives, you can be amazed at what he comes up with. So check out those 3 channels, but always remember to come back and see mine. And maybe I'll learn a little bit more before you see me again. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.